There's a lot of reasons to do wardrobe, but probably the number one is really to create space without having to frame any particular room of your house. So in this particular project, couple, Igor and Victoria, had a very small closet where everything was kind of jammed in there, and they really wanted to add space into their existing bedroom. Before we started, there was a blank wall here. You'll see part of it back there. But what we did is we literally built into this space, yet still have plenty of room to get around. And then within a wardrobe, you certainly can add different elements, whether it is, drawers that are in here, or having doors in here, whether they have obscure glass or solid glass, and or having spaces inside of here for adjustable shelving. Could be for shoes, could be for t-shirts folded up. Another reason really to use a custom wardrobe is retail and sales value. So when you have something like this in a home, somebody come in and say, oh wow, that is a wonderful asset to enjoy inside of a master bedroom. And instead of having to build out of a home, you can literally build inside the home. When you add a room addition, that's a very big expense, but to put something and build inside of it, a custom storage space is much less expensive than adding onto a home. And if you do want to learn more, whether it's about custom wardrobes or reach-in closets, walk-in closets, whatever that is, you can go to innovatehomeorg.com or give us a call, 614-545-6888. Thank you.